Hey you guys, what's up no pros? Welcome back to the channel, and today we have yet another new bright review for the 1/10 scale RC Steel Chevy Silverado heavy metal Trail Boss RC, and it's coming up to you next on this episode of No Pros RC. What's up, guys? So I hope everybody is enjoying their first week of spring. Spring has finally arrived, and that means the RC reviews and point of views and whatever else we decide to do is going to be ramping up because the weather is getting warmer, the days are getting longer, and yes, I'm feeling much better. So New Bright decided to send me yet a New Bright decided to send me yet another RC, a bigger RC, a 1/10 scale RC, heavy metal body. The body is made out of metal, very light metal, but metal indeed. Yeah, they decided to send me this to do a review on it, on my opinion, and you can find that story, well, it's not posted yet, but when it will be posted, you can find that review on Walmart.com under No Pros RC. So, what we have here is obviously a Chevy Trail Boss Z71 1/10 scale Silverado, and it's made by New Bright. You can see it's lifted with the high springs. The tires have decent trail. The tires have decent tread for those trails, and you got the rims here that match the body. This is an awesome looking truck. I do like the color. You can see the metallics and the paint there. Oh, look at that. That is nice. And the controller matches the vehicle. Look at that. That's awesome. It comes with AA batteries. You do have to charge this guy up with a USB. There is no batteries in the body as far as, taking them out and replacing them. This will be USB charged. So that's a plus. The only batteries that you have to replace is the batteries in the controller, and they start you off with that. So there you go. This is a four-wheel drive vehicle. That's another plus. 2.4 gigahertz. So you can race up to 6 vehicles with this. And I do believe they have 6 different variations. We have to double check that on the website. Of course, you got that super flex suspension, and we're definitely going to test that out with some jumps here coming up real soon. You obviously got forward, reverse, left, and right function, which is awesome. And the biggest thing about this guy is the steel heavy duty panels. I mean, if you can just hear by the way I tap that this body is made out of some different material versus your other RC bodies that you may have come across. And this is something new for New Bright. Yeah, I can't wait to get this guy on the road and actually see what she can do. This is a nice RC for, ages 6 and up. For that beginner child that you're trying to get into the hobby. The price. Yes, the price is what really attracts new users to the hobby. It's only $49.99, I believe, at Walmart. And when I was there, they didn't have very many. So if you like what you see here, you might want to get to your local Walmart and pick one up. If you haven't seen my other review on the smaller version of the New Bright, you might want to check that out. Popping up somewhere on the screen there. And check out that New Bright review. Uh, so yeah, that's really pretty much it for this video, other than charging her up, putting the batteries in the transmitter, and actually seeing what she can do. So let's open the box up and see what we got here.
A few moments later.
Almost there. As you can see right here, more wire ties, more wire ties, more wire ties, and you could just as well use some scissors, but I don't feel like looking for them. So yeah, let's let's continue. But this is this is what it looks like so far. But yeah, moving on.
A few moments later.
Okay, yeah. So whew, after getting this box and wire ties unloose, we finally got it. Man, that's why you need a knife. No, you can use scissors to get it off. So as you can see right here, you're going to need to remove the battery cover on the transmitter. You're going to need a Phillips screwdriver to get that done. So let's do that. Okay, so you got two power cell, not Duracell. That's power cell AA batteries. Don't. So yeah, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there is a light right there that indicates that it's charging, and I have to assume when it goes out, it's charged. Okay, so looking at this transmitter, I don't see any on or off button on it. So I guess it's just put the batteries in and move the controller, turn the steering wheel, and it should be ready to go. So we do have a little charge in there. No power indicator on this guy to let you know that it's working. Whoa. Okay, yeah. Um, she got a little jump to her. So, with that being said, I'm going to let it fully charge up, and then we're going to take her out and see what she can actually do. So, unfortunately, you guys will just have to wait until the next video. I am sorry, but that's the way it goes. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel, have your post notifications on by clicking that bell to let you know when we drop a new video. And to get the inside scoop before the tube, you must be following us at no.pros.rc on the gram. All right, so until the next one, y'all be easy.